All right, guys. So you know what? The act of being neighborly encompasses far more than simply saying hello in passing. And we've all had that neighbor, me them attack, the hello in passing that we like and those we don't like as much for whatever reason. But what type of neighbor are you?
Are you the neighbor that shares fruits, flowers, and produce from your own garden with others in the neighborhood? No.
If they ask me,
So they
I
say,
even they won't, but for me personally, and that's so bad because I have fruit.
oh, you do?
But for me, actually go take it and then say, hi, here's plum or here's mango. No, I'm bad at that.
So you don't give people things?
No, me's the worst. When we read this, me are
So
the
you're
worst
worse.
neighbor.
Generosity is the middle name of some individuals. They share the surplus of anything they receive, especially from country, even though they could use it all themselves. Are you that kind of neighbor? No, again. The third one says,
The neighbor, them, me no know.
You're not a good neighbor.
I'm not.
A good neighbor will notify another if they see anything strange happening at their house while they're away. Are you that kind of
Well, me always inside, so me don't usually see nothing.
Oh, dear, yeah.
But if me see it though, me I go say something.
The civic-minded neighbor will clean up the street and sidewalk or organize with others to fill the potholes in the street. Are you that kind of neighbor?
Do you know what's good about what you're saying?
What?
These are all my neighbors. All the things you're reading here are my neighbors.
So you are not that kind of neighbor.
But you see, but I have to be the kind of neighbor that I am, so that my neighbors can be the great neighbors that they are.
Few things are worse than people that abuse and neglect their own animals or those of their neighbors. Call the police immediately.
Oh,
are
I'm
you
not animal.
that kind of neighbor?
No, that much.
Yeah, we're going 5 and you're not even half one of the
No,
neighbors.
I'm not that neighbor though. I don't abuse animals.
Silent, classist, and how you pronounce this?
Misogynistic.
Misogynistic neighbors make it clear by their actions that they have little regard for anyone that's not them. Are you?
No,
it sounds like you are that kind of neighbor.
No, silent, but I'm not classist and misogynistic.
Okay, there you go. Somebody might say, what that mean though? Misogynistic. We soon tell you.
Just full of yourself.
Yeah.
Yes,
Greedy neighbors think they're entitled to take flowers, fruit, or garden produce without asking. Are you that kind of neighbor?
No, I ask.
You ask?
I ask.
So you don't give anything, but you ask people to take
Well,
things?
if they ask, then we get. But like my neighbor, me WhatsApp him and say, what no man gonna over there?
As I said.
But Miss Russell don't wait. Miss Russell will see me and say, here is this, here is that, here is... And if I see Miss William, Mr. Roach, my neighbor them good enough.
I just said that. I never tell him I would do it, but he didn't ask me to do it to heal up a man who sells plants. You know, when you come off the Spanish Town bypass and you reach the roundabout, it's like you're going to Flatbridge.
Yes.
And there's a big service station there. So he sells plants there. I can't remember his name. I bought a plant from him, which is why I never want to say hi because you charge me too much for the plant. And I feel if you don't want me to say hi, you should just give me 2 plants and then you call everybody in your family. But good morning.
Yeah, no, my neighbor, and I'm like the men on my street, anytime I have something, like me lock up myself. And me call them.
You lock out yourself. So you don't give them anything, but when you need them.
And them come help me get in. And
the perpetual partiers are those that play loud music and hold the raucous gatherings while others are trying to relax or sleep. Are you that kind of neighbor?
I'm not. And from the other day, I noticed one start play. The noise start climb up from the other day. But
some people ask to borrow everything from sugar to flour to grandma's fine china and seldom return any of it. Are you that kind of neighbor?
No, I'm not have them neighbor there either.
There's always at least one individual that doesn't think twice about parking in front of another neighbor's driveways. Are you that kind of neighbor?
No, but Portmore driveway, them in front of each other, you know. So like my neighbor over there, so every time I come, she say, Miss Williams, you want me move? And she said, no, me good. But I feel like if I'm me, I say, Miss Williams, move, because I can't come out, but she can't drive.
Chronic complainers never have a good thing to say about anyone else in the neighborhood. Are you that kind of neighbor?
No, I'm not them neighbor there.
Me feel this one is you, the nosy neighbor, busybody. That's to know everyone else's business and often isn't shy about sharing it with others.
No.
You're not that kind of neighbor.
No. I have a great avenue.
You have a great avenue.
Yeah, man, my neighbor, them good, them nice.
Them good, but do you know something?
No, I'm not as good a neighbor to them as they are to me, but they really are very good to me.
Yeah,
like,
that's good.
Me outside, I scrape up the leaf and Miss Russell come and say, Mama, help you. Yeah, Patrick, if me not, even if me not there, know me say, Patrick, look if me left me key in at the grill. So yeah, I have good neighbors.
Well, fantastic.
I have good neighbors.
So there you go. So we hope you're all good neighbors. I suspect some are not good neighbors, but that's all.
Sheffield people, them don't even know Sam live, which part him live.
Well,
Them no want them knock upon him, don't ask him nothing.
no, that's a good thing. That's a good thing.
Can you come to work early and leave late?
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Me not think of that.
All right, so we're going to go for a break. What we doing now?
Smile Jamaica is going viral after the break, so don't go anywhere. We'll soon come.